guys, today, oh my gosh, I hate this. I haven't recorded in so long. So I have like a little mini instant pot here. So today I'm gonna be making a healthy-ish turkey chili. I got some lean ground turkey here. This is significantly cheaper, same amount as like the one in the case. Interesting. I got an onion, a ton of garlic, I like corn in my chili. I got some fire roasted diced tomatoes, some chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. This stuff is so good. Kidney beans. Hold on, I'm forgetting something. Whole Foods organic chicken broth, low sodium. Chili powder. I don't have oregano, but I got basil leaves, so it's gonna suffice for now. Some garlic, cumin, paprika. I feel like chili is just a ton of spices. Sea salt, black pepper, and some garlic powder. All right, let's do this. Turn it on to saute. I'm gonna start dicing things up. All right, so I'm chopping up some onions here into small pieces. I have this, it's heating up. I have some olive oil. I'm gonna just toss a little bit of the olive oil in here and start sauteing the onions. Let me just throw this in here. Just chopping up some garlic now. Can't ever have too much garlic. And throw it into the instant pot to saute. Now I'm opening up my kidney beans, drain that and add that in too, as well as the turkey. I should have put the turkey in first, honestly, so don't be like me, throw the turkey in first. Throwing in some of the corn after I drained it, and add the whole can of the fire roasted tomatoes, as well as a few of those chipotle peppers. Okay, so this is where it gets confusing. I just throw stuff in, so I added some sea salt, some cumin, chili, paprika, basil, chicken broth. I'll add the list of spices in the description box below, but definitely throw it in and season to taste, whatever you prefer. I really like a lot of cumin as well. Alright, so when that's over, cancel the saute, change it to stew, and switch it to 2 hours. Now we're setting it, forgetting it, coming back. Today is an exhausting day. Anyways, luckily I'm working from home, so I can check on my food. Here, let me show you guys it finished cooking. Here is the outcome. This is not the final outcome though. So now that this has cooked up for 2 hours and the meat and everything is looking delicious, it hasn't thickened to the consistency that I want. I think usually, you know, if I was cooking it in a normal pot, it would have thickened because of the beans. But for some reason, because of the instant pot and retaining water, it doesn't thicken like I want it to. So what I'm going to do is turn it back on to saute, and we are going to put a little cornstarch slurry in here to thicken up this concoction. Before I do that though, let me taste test to make sure that this tastes good. It's definitely the spice level I like. It's delicious. It just needs salt. Turn off this. Then put it on saute for 20. I'm gonna add like a tiny bit of water here. A little, like spoonful of cornstarch, and I'm gonna mix that up. I'm just gonna do half of this first, just to see if this will get the consistency I want it to be. All right, so I'm gonna watch over this as it sautés. It's starting to heat up, and I'm gonna see if it thickens. Okay guys, I actually let it cook for like an hour or so more because I ended up having a virtual happy hour with my team for work. This is, you know, 2021 corporate work life. Anyways, so I finished up the chili. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It is, she's thick. She's not super duper thick,
like, because I don't want her to be too thick. But she's a good consistency here. So I'm going to plate it. I have some cheese, some avocado I'm going to cut on top of it, and we're going to eat it. This is what it looks like. Thanks for watching me cook today. Some Frito chips. Sometimes I like to scoop it, sometimes I just throw it in there. Palm. So good. Alright guys. I'll see you guys next time.